Dear students, in next topic that we are covering, that is video conferencing. Video conferencing, it is a way to communicate by using some audio and graphics mode. It means where we are able to present ourselves with a face-to-face communication also, and by using audio signals also. So video conferencing, a conference between two or more locations. We can communicate from a number of locations. We are not restricted to a specific area. That's why video conferencing is the best way to conduct the online classes, to conduct the meeting on national level, to conduct the meeting on state level, to conduct the meeting on district level. When there is a restriction in a location with a video, it means when there is a restriction, only audio will be available, but area is restricted. It means communication is restricted. That is known as teleconferencing. But in case of unrestricted location, we are having multiple location, from multiple location people are connected, that is known as video conferencing. To perform the video conferencing, we have three sub steps. Step 1 is video conferencing environment, step 2 is conference equipment, and step 3 is conference network. Conference environments mean a way, we can speak that a location where we can conduct a meeting. It can be either a classroom or it can be a specific conference room. Second is conference equipments. Equipments mean to say tools which are required to communicate. Like we need a computer system or laptop, we need webcam, we need internet connection. All such tools are the part of equipments. So tools to convert speech and graphics at remote site. To transfer the speech and graphics to another location is known as conferencing equipments. And conference network, a internet connection that will help to link the sites together. We need a connection. That connection will help to link the site, a software tool. These are the parts of your video conferencing, conference network, equipment and environment. Now video conferencing can be conducted in two ways. It can be a point-to-point communication, it can be a multi-point communication. Point-to-point, as the name suggests, only two persons will be communicating. One will be sender side, another will be the receiver side. There is a site restriction. Any other person is not involved in your conferencing process. So it is restricted to a specific location. One will be sender side, other will be the receiver side. Sender and receiver both will have a physical component, that is camera and microphone. It enables meeting to take place, are often integrated into the desktop computing solution like a laptop, or it can be combined into the dedicated system also. And second is multi-point video conferencing. There are three or more locations are connected together where all participants can see and hear to itself. It means it's like a classroom where everyone can see, everyone can give their suggestion, everyone can ask the query. This type of conferencing mode is known as multi-point conferencing, and the example that we are using in real life classroom, that is Zoom class that we are using. There are some advantages and disadvantages of using the video conferencing concept. Advantages are more, like anytime and anywhere. So it is a communication that can be performed 24/7. There is no time restrictions. Save traveling cost also. If we want to communicate, we need not to do traveling. It saves traveling cost also, it saves time also. Ability to link several sites. We are able to communicate a number of sites together with the help of video conferencing. And it will provide the functionality to remote access. We can communicate with the outside computer and we can talk online with a good way, with an impressive way. Reduce the protection of intimidation. It means there is a proof. If somebody is abusing, somebody is giving the wrong statement, if somebody is speaking unnecessary, you are having a proof for evidence. And 6 point, reduce wastage of time. When the meeting for timing is fixed, suppose we have conducted the meeting time at 4, there is a 90% chances all participant will be present on right time. We need not to wait for a much time, so it will reduce the wastage of time. So meeting will look like an attractive way of communication. Along with, there are some disadvantages. If there is some mismanagement, advantages will convert it into the disadvantages. So first disadvantage, that is compromised with quality. Sometimes due to the less network quality, due to the less bandwidth, we are not able to provide the good quality network. We are not able to provide the good quality graphics or audio. Movement can be jerky. Like this I am moving in a class time. Like this I am moving while teaching. So it will not be provided the efficient picture. It will be jerky. It will not be attractive. Body language can be lost and delay in sound. Due to network issue, there is a major delay in the sound. A person will not be able to understand what has been asked and what has to reply, and no creative atmosphere, and everything is happening due to the network quality. If quality is bad, then it is the worst way of communication. If quality is good, it is the good way of communication with attractiveness, time saving, security, traveling cost saving, and 24/7 communication. So this is all about your chapter 2 video conferencing part. Dear students, if again you are facing any doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999118890. You can send your query on this number. Thank you. Have a nice day.